Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 doggy coins by market cap. We're going to start with the ones outside of the top 50 because normally we go through the top 50. We're going to start with BONK, followed by FLOKI with BABYDOGE, Dog, Mew, NEIRO, ELON, Docs, and then we end it with OSAK at number 10. Let's get straight into it. BONK against USD. Here we are for BONK. BONK, we have a target over here 320. We got this 2 weeks ago, right on Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. So more downside is to be expected. I suspect this move down for BONK is very close to its end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I suspect there will be a bounce back up towards the skinny pink line before a potential continuation lower towards 320. So more downside is to be expected for BONK. I don't think BONK is done yet. So yeah, get prepared for more downside for BONK. I don't think it's a good area to be going long unless, of course, you know what you're doing. So 320, we're still remaining loyal to our target for BONK. FLOKI against USDT. Looking at FLOKI, we have two targets fresh out of the oven. One is at 5,000, the other one is at 3,400. We're at 7,877. So BONK has formed a potential ABC kind of a chart pattern. So yeah, 5,000. We are expecting 5,000 to be hit for FLOKI. And after that, again, rally towards the skinny pink line. And then potentially another a drop towards 3,004. 3,410 to be precise. It'll probably go past 3,004. But the target that we have is at 3,410, roughly. So yeah, again, if I were to put on a shot for FLOKI, I will have to wait for the mountain range to appear first. It's probably going to take several weeks though. I mean, of course, we could just zip all the way down, for sure. But we're under the skinny pink line, largely. So the bear trend is on for FLOKI. And so the first target is 5,000, which is about, how many percent is this? 36% towards the downside. Towards 3,004 is around 55,000. Sorry, 55%. So more downsides to be expected for FLOKI. I don't think FLOKI is gonna form any new all-time high soon. Eventually, maybe, but for now, it is down, and we have clear targets for FLOKI. Dog with head against USD. With against USD is also clearly heading lower. Again, noisy areas over here. My guess, again, pure guessing, is that we'll probably head towards 30 cents. Sub 30 cents, I would say. So you're probably going to clear these classes ourselves, which will bring us to about 28 cents. So sub 30 cents is expected for WIF. WIF is really, really bearish. It's just one straight long line down for WIF. We actually thought that WIF, could be forming maybe a cup and handle here. We go higher, or maybe it forms an ascending, maybe we get an inverse head and shoulders. Something bullish, but yeah, no. Once we're under the skinny pink line, and you can see that the selling, just continues, then more likely than not, WIF is heading much lower. BABYDOGE is also very bearish, right? BABYDOGE, we had expectations for the breakout, right? There was a very nice squeeze here. We actually did break out, but then this was a chart pattern failure, and so now we're back down under the support. Not just that, we're under the skinny pink line as well. So it's pretty bearish to me for BABYDOGE. So I would not be touching BABYDOGE, not at this point of time. Dog against USD. Dog against USD is... Okay, we're also expecting Dog USD to form a right shoulder. Will we get the right shoulder? We'll have to wait and see how it goes. But we would appreciate it if we could get a right shoulder. So once we get a right shoulder, this will be the start of a big fall for Dog. So we'll be waiting for that right shoulder to appear. Cat in a dog swirl, Mew. So here we are for Mew. So for Mew, we were actually in a very nice squeeze here. We broke out, but again, just like what happened for BABYDOGE, we came back under the support, and then yeah, that's it. It's gone. So now we're in a very bearish trend. How much lower are we gonna go? We're not too sure. All we know is we're under the skinny pink line. We'll probably wait for the consolidation first, and then potentially, we'll have a much clearer target towards the downside. My assumption is that we're probably gonna head towards 0.001, sub 0.001. NEIRO. Okay, here we are for NEIRO. NEIRO is also in a very bearish trend. How much lower are we gonna go? I don't know, boys. I don't know. There is a bearish continuation chart pattern, so yeah, no, be careful. Be very, very careful. It's just all not looking too good. Elon against USD. Here we are for Doge, Elon Mars. Again, it's still not really that clear. Right, we would have preferred it if we, squeezed here a little bit longer. But yeah, the whales decided to push the price higher, clear all these clusters of buys. After that, it pulls all the way down. So, again, are we gonna clear these lows, or are we gonna stop at this noisy area? We did stop at the top though, right? We might drop down to the middle first before reversing potentially. So we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes. But Doge, Elon Musk don't look too good to me. Dogs against USD. Here we are for Dogs. Dogs is also in a bearish trend. How low are we gonna go? My expectation is probably 1,000. We're at 1,004. It's not looking good. It's not looking good, boys and girls. This looks like a head and shoulders. Right, see this? It's not looking good, boys. So stay safe, stay safe. OSAK protocol. OSAK is also in a bearish trend. It just goes down and down and down and down and down. Right, on DEX tools, it's also clearly under the skinny pink line. Again, noisy areas are over here. So yeah, could we drop a little bit lower? Yeah, sure, of course. How much lower? Yeah, the noisy area over here. Right, the upper portion will be here. The lower portion will be here. So could we clear all these classes of cells? Yes, of course. Of course, of course. Right now at 8,007. Could we drop to like 5,000 or even towards 2,000 or 3,000? Yeah, sure, of course. For sure. But there's just no chart pattern for us to work with. So we're going to have to be very, very careful about doing anything for OSAK. Alright, boys and girls, things are not looking good. We have clear bearish targets towards the downside, especially for BONK and FLOKI. So the higher the market cap and the higher the trading volume, the more likely it is that the whales are in play, and we will be able to see the whales form the chart pattern, and we'll be able to get targets for those coins. So the higher the market cap, the more precise we can be for the targets. So yeah, we'll probably get higher quality chart patterns as well. So BONK and FLOKI is down. It's down, boys and girls. It's down. So stay safe. Right. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.